Good morning. I welcome you all to the online lecture of our class 4 Maths. Today we are going to start a new chapter number 7. The title is Jugs and Mugs. Bunny and Banu celebrate their wedding anniversary. So, let's begin the story. The story is all about the different animals. Do you remember the wedding in the bunny's family last year? If yes, so it's good. But if no, see Maths Magic Class 3, page number 153. So I hope you will go through this. Bunny and Bannu decided to have a party 1 year after their wedding. So they have arranged one party, okay, because they have completed 1 year. Now they invited their family and friends. They made a special sweet dish, kheer. Okay, we all know what is kheer. So they invited their families and friends and made a special sweet dish, kheer. All the animals came running, hopping, and even crawling. Long live Bunny and Banu. The elephant is drinking 50 liters of kheer. Okay, so now two question is asked that the giraffe is drinking dash liters and the cow is drinking dash liters. So from the pictures we can't get any clue. So we have to use our IQ, our general knowledge for this. For example, the elephant is the largest animal. So he is drinking 50 liter. So obviously giraffe will drink less than 50, right? So now let's consider he drinks 25 liters. Okay, so you can write the answer 25 liters. And cow is smaller than the giraffe, right? So he will she will drink less than giraffe, right? So let's assume cow will drink 15 liters of kheer. Then came the squirrel. She said, I can't drink 1 liter of kheer. Please give me only 500 milliliters. So first we understand the conversion. We understand the what is liters and milliliters and what is the connection between them. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Okay, 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters. Now then came the squirrel. She said, I can't drink 1 liter of kheer. Please give me only 500 milliliters. So how much liter it is? So we know the method of cross multiplication. 1 liter equal to 1000 millimeters. So for 500 millimeters, how much? Okay, some student will do it by mentally. Okay, that it is half of the 1000 millimeters. So 1 will be half, that is half liter. The donkey asked, 500 millimeters of kheer, isn't that more than a liter? Okay, so we know that no, it is not more than the liter, it is half liter. The fox said, come on, don't believe like a donkey. 1 liter is 1000 millimeter, so 500 millimeter is half a liter. Okay, as we have discussed. The frog hopped along with 9 other friends. He said, oh, we only want 100 milliliters each. So the frog hopped along with 9 other friends. He said, oh, we only want 100 milliliters each. Okay, here is your kheer, said the cat. While serving the kheer, she took 10 glasses and poured 100 milliliters kheer in each glass. So there are total 10 frogs, right? One frog, and he came along with his 9 other friends. So total 10 frogs. So cat served kheer in 10 glasses and poured 100 milliliters kheer in each glasses. The donkey looked confused and asked, 10 glasses of 100 milliliters each. How much is that? The fox got another chance to show off. He said, Huh, that is simple. Okay, let's do by our own self. Now we have to give the answer in liter, that how much kheer is poured total in the glasses. So 100 ml in each glass, and total there are 10 glass. So we will first multiply it, right? 10 into 100, which is equal to 1000 ml. Okay, and we know that 1000 ml equals to 1 liter, right? So that is simple. 100 milliliters, 10 times 100 milliliters is 1000 milliliters, equals to 1 liter. Now you write it. 10 into 100 ml equals to, we can write is either 1000 ml or 1 liter. Look, a group of ants in the marching here. The grasshopper said, the kheer is finished. Now what can we do? The cat said sadly. So now from this we will continue in the next lecture. Thank you.